welcome to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making bulgogi, and it's a continuation when we were prepping for Chuseok. Bulgogi is one of the more popular Korean dishes that people are aware of, along with bibimbap and japchae and kimchi, and there's a bunch on that list. So let's go take a look at what ingredients we'll need to make this delicious dish. We're gonna go ahead and do the first part of our marinating. So I'm cutting up some garlic right now. I have a mixing bowl ready. I really like this one because it has a lid, so I don't have to put plastic wrap or foil over it. I have that, whoa, sorry, that was really loud. And I have this paper glove that I use for japchae. Plastic glove that I use for the japchae. So now we're gonna get started on the marinade. So let's go ahead and add the garlic. Add my pureed onions. So this is different from the chopped onions. It'll really help break all the meat and the fat apart. I'll just give that a mix real quick. We'll add our sugar, our oligosaccharide. If you guys don't have this, you guys can add honey. And lastly, our soy sauce. We'll give this a mix and we will marinate it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Pointer number 1, make sure to pat the meat dry with a paper towel so that it doesn't have an irony taste or smell to it. And pointer number 2, I'm adding the sesame oil when the cooking process is almost done so that the fragrance could be long lasting. So let's cut in the order of the mushrooms, onions, and then the green onions. So I have my pan on medium to high heat. I got my marinated beef from the fridge and we just have to get cooking. So I'll add in my beef. Okay, now I'm gonna add the onions in because they take a longer time to cook. And the black pepper. And then we'll add in our green onions, our mushrooms, and the sesame oil. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you guys will try this recipe out in your own homes. Comment below on what your favorite American Thanksgiving dishes, and maybe we'll go ahead and make a video on it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below if you guys have questions on this bulgogi recipe, and we'll see you guys again on our next video. Wow.